For these Hot Wheels and Monster Jam fans, it's NASCAR Kid Jr. Subscribe and pick your truck for the 6-lane racing Monster Jam. First up, the Grave Digger, Spider-Man, Grave Digger the Legend, Scooby-Doo, Wolverine, El Toro Loco, Avenger, Zombie, Tasmaniac, Militia, King Crunch, Patriot, Blue Thunder. Pick any trucks. That's 13. For me, NASCAR Kid Jr., I picked the brand new Max D. And King Hot Wheels, Cylinder Digger. And my brother Kyle from Monster Jam Kid, he liked the brand new Monster Mat. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. NASCAR Kid Jr. We'll do some racing sometime. Bye.